Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am so pumped for today's video because I am going to be taking two of the hottest trends for the spring and summer and I'm going to bring them together for y'all. So if you couldn't tell by the thumbnail, it's going to be biker shorts and tie-dye. So we're going to tie-dye a pair of biker shorts. And these biker shorts are super affordable, y'all. They're like $3.99 for the shorter ones and $7.99 for the longer ones. So super good deal. And the best part about all of this is you really can't mess up tie-dye. If you're wondering why my hair is shorter in some parts of the video and longer in other parts, it's because I had to film this video on separate days because when I originally filmed it, half of the videos were super blurry and I couldn't use half of them. So anyways, so here we are. But I did get my weave in and that's why you will see me with longer hair in some parts and then my natural hair in some parts. But we'll get to the hair in another video, which I'm excited to get into that. But for today's video, we're going to do the DIY tie-dye, and I know that y'all are going to love it. I'm also going to include a picture of all the materials that y'all will need if you buy the kit, and then the materials that you'll need if you just purchase the dye separately. Honestly, if I could go back in time, I would probably just buy the individual dye because realistically, I don't need all that tie-dye. But if you have gloves at home and then a garbage bag, cling wrap, and then paper towels, then like I said, you can just buy the dye individually. I'm gonna link everything below so y'all have links to everything, and if y'all have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'm so excited to see what y'all create. So these shorts were from Forever 21, so luckily they're very affordable. I picked up one pair for $3.99 for the shorter biker shorts and then the other pair for $7.99. So I will show y'all those shorts real quick so y'all can see. So this is what they look like. And then I picked up a longer pair right here. So let's get to it. So here is the kit that I ordered. It says it's a one-step tie-dye kit, which I don't know why they say one step because they list 3 steps or 4 steps on the back, but we're gonna give it a try. I like that this kit comes with a lot of different colors, and also I pulled out the instruction sheet and it seems pretty simple. Decided I was gonna throw my hair up, roll my sleeves up to get ready for all this. Probably not the best idea to be wearing a long sleeve shirt, but we're just gonna do it anyway. So the first step is to set up your workplace, which I have a old Walmart box layered with a plastic cover and then some paper towels. The plastic cover was included in the tie-dye box, just FYI. And then the next thing we're gonna do is we are going to add water to whatever color dye that we want. So in this case, I'm gonna pick this peachy color. I think this is a pretty color for spring and summer, so I think this will be perfect for our tie-dye. Let me show y'all what this is supposed to look like. It's this one right there. So we're gonna try that, see how it goes. Okay y'all, so I just filled it with the water. So you're going to scrunch the fabric using your fingers, it says. So I scrunched up the fabric and then I'm just gonna apply the dye. Okay, so after you have the shorts wrapped in the cling wrap, you want to leave them wrapped for 4 to 6 hours and then you want to rinse them. After you rinse them, you want to throw them in the wash. Make sure you put them in separately so your clothes don't get all full of tie-dye. And then they should be done. And then you can throw them in the dryer, which is what I did. And they came out so cute, y'all. Like, I'm just so excited about these shorts. I had to interrupt for 1 second to throw it back to the Dexter days. How many of y'all watch Dexter? Me and my husband literally binge watched that show. We were obsessed with it. But anyways, as I was doing the tie-dye, it just reminded me of like a blood scene from Dexter. And I just had to bring that up. But don't worry, the shorts did not stay that blood red color. They did turn out to be like an orangey color, which is really pretty. It wasn't as peachy as I thought it would be, but it's a little more on the orange side, but they still came out super cute. So here is the final product. These are the shorter ones, and these are the longer ones. Okay, so for the first look, I just paired a white long sleeve crop top with the longer biker shorts. And look how adorable this look is. With my faux Golden Goose sneakers. Okay, now for the second look, a little pink on pink action, which in my book, you can never have enough pink, y'all. So my top's from Fabletics, and then obviously I DIY these, and then I did splurge on these shoes, but I can link a similar affordable pair for y'all. For this next look, I paired this airy crop sweater. It's like a distressed looking sweater. And I just paired them with the smaller biker shorts. These are the shorter ones. These were the $3.99 ones. And they're so dang cute. And once again, y'all, I know I've shared these shoes a million times, but they really are so versatile. You can wear them in any season. I just love them so much. And they're actually way more comfortable than my actual Golden Gooses. And so for this look, I paired a Forever 21 t-shirt. It's an oversized shirt, so I just rolled it up on the sides because I am super short and it actually was longer than my shorts. But if you're a little bit taller, it really could work and you wouldn't even have to tie it on the sides. But I thought that this was a super cute look with the shorter biker shorts. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I would love if you would subscribe to my channel. There'll be more fun things like this on here. A lot of fashion related stuff, travel, whenever we can get back to traveling, and just all the things. I like to talk about a little bit of everything. So that's what y'all will see here on my channel. So if you're a fan of that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if y'all have been doing any DIY projects, comment below and let me know because I want to do some more. So if there's anything that y'all suggest that I get started on, just let a girl know. And if y'all are planning on tie-dyeing these shorts, please tag me in a picture on Instagram and share with me how they came out, and then I'll repost it. I'm excited to see what y'all create.